Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart seeing what's new, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and let's go shop. These new sweaters from Free Assembly. They have that rolled hem, the side seam detailing, ribbed wrist, ribbed bottom. These are really nice and soft. And then they have that same fit through the back in the light blue with the blue stripe, also the peach with the peach stripe, or it's like coral, and they're $26 from Time and True. So this one has the smaller collar, snap buttons, 2 flat pockets, has a little drawstring, button on the wrist, that same kind of fit through the back with the seam, and they are going to be $22.98. New long sleeve dress from Free Assembly. This has that scoop neckline, Henley buttons, has the relaxed wrist with that little pleated detailing, the 2 front pockets, midi length, or it's shorter length, probably about knee length. Comes in the white with the gold, also navy in the stripe, and these are $28. Also new peplum jacket from Jessica Simpson. So this one has the smaller collar, full button, the little peplum at the bottom, the button detail on the wrist, so you can make it a little tighter or relaxed, and then that peplum continues around the back. They are going to be $34. And right next to that, a new dress from Jessica Simpson. This has that ruffle trim, the flutter sleeve, plunging V neckline, elastic at the waist, longer length, tiers all the way down, and then the seam fit through the back, and they are going to be $40. New barrel-like jeans from Celebrity Pink. So these are high rise. They have a little bit of fading through the knee, and then you can see they come in at the ankle. Pockets on the back, and they come in the light chambray. There's also a mid-tone, and they're $18.50. New lace long sleeve tops from Madden NYC. So these have that scoop neckline, it's fitted, it's shorter with these sheer sleeves in the black, also comes in red, and these are going to be $11.50. New sweaters from Madden NYC. So these have that plunging V, drop sleeve, ribbed wrist, ribbed bottom. These are tunic length, so if you want to size up, you might be able to wear it as like a dress with little shorts underneath. Comes in the red with the white hearts, also black with the red lips. There's also rhinestone detailing on that one, and these are going to be $20.50. New ribbed polo from Free Assembly. These have the smaller collar, Henley buttons, fitted through the wrist, a little shoulder detail in the ivory, also comes in the navy, and they're $18. Also new from Free Assembly are these denim skirts. So these are full button, they have the side seam and then the seam down the back, and they are going to be $22. New pull-on pants from Time and True. So this is that linen texture. It has the elastic waistband, drawstring, side pocket. It says relaxed fit in the navy and white stripe. Also has the trouser style pockets on the back, and then also the true kind of linen color stripe, and they're $21.98. Also new joggers from Time and True. These have an elastic waistband, drawstring, side pocket, the true jogger bottom, pockets on the back in the brown, also comes in the chambray, and they're $22.98. New dresses from Jessica Simpson. So this one's about a midi length. It has that plunging V, the balloon sleeve. It's a nice lightweight flowy fabric, has side pockets, and then smocking in the back. This one is going to be $40. That style also comes in this blueprint, and then they also have this style with this one has that flutter sleeve, the crochet trim, tie detail, elastic in the waist, flowy, longer fit, and this one is also $40. New balloon top from Scoop. So this one has a zip front, has that side seam detailing with the oversized balloon sleeve, has that same kind of relaxed fit in the white, also comes in black, and they are $24. They have a new style of cargo pant from Jessica Simpson. This one has the double button, side pocket, flat pocket through the leg, that adjustable ankle, so you can do it either more tapered or straight leg in the green, and they are going to be $29.50. Also new flare jean from Jessica Simpson. These are high rise. They have that raw hem at the bottom. That's the difference with this new style. In the dark indigo, and they're $24.50. New color in this crochet dress from Jessica Simpson. So this has that plunging V, the little scallop trim. It's a flutter sleeve. It does have the built-in slip, and it's midi length with the slits in the back. In this new blueprint, we saw it in the ivory, and and they are $40. New denim vest from Jessica Simpson. This has that V neckline, the flat pockets, full button, really nice seam detailing. It comes in at the waist, so it's going to give you that hourglass look with the seam in the back. And these are regularly $26. Color in this mock neck sweater dress from Free Assembly. This has the gold buttons, the 2 pockets. It's a shorter length in the red. Now it also comes in navy. And they are going to be $26. New jumpsuit from Jessica Simpson. This one has the smaller collar. It's zip. It has that banded waist, the seam detailing, pork chop pockets, and then it's a flare. How cute is this with the seam detailing in the back? Only in the mid-tone, and they are going to be $40. Also new wide leg cropped pants from Jessica Simpson. So these are high rise. They have the whiskering. You could see they're really wide at the bottom, and then that seam fit through the back. $32.50. If you want the inseam, check out the links below. But I would say they're about 26 inch. And then also new chambray dress from Jessica Simpson. This one has that plunging V neckline, this little tie detail, oversized balloon sleeve. How cute are the tiers? It kind of reminds me of like a Love Shack fancy cut with the smocking in the back, and they're $38. New button down polo shirt from Gloria Vanderbilt. So these have the smaller collar, full button. These are so soft and stretchy. It has the 3/4 sleeve, oversized wrist, 2 front pockets, scoops in the middle, and then no seam in the back. It comes in the white, also in this light blue, and they are going to be $14.98. Also new chambray button down from Gloria Vanderbilt. So it has this smaller collar, full button detail on the wrist. Also has that little tab sleeve, so you can do 3/4 scoop, so you have length, the little embroidered logo, and then seam in the back. And they are going to be $19.98. And then they also have new seam cut, just in the poplin option, smaller collar, full button. Also has that tab sleeve in the stripe. Also comes in solid white and the floral, and they're also $19.98. They have the new Time and True short sleeve tees. These are a crew neckline. This is a relaxed fit, so you could size down 1 or 2 if you want it more fitted. It looks like the burnout style in a fuchsia, a navy and white stripe. These always sell out super fast online. The beige, light blue, green, like a lavender, they're $5.98. And then on this side they have a scoop neck, a v-neck. I think this is the new style. So the light orange, white, and black, and then also a white and gray stripe. And then right next to that they have a new crew neck crop sweater from Mad NYC. This has that higher neckline, drop sleeve, ribbed wrist with the ribbed bottom, grommet detail with the rose in the red. They also have this gray with the heart. And I think these are not available on the website yet, but when they pop up I'll let you know. And these are going to be $21. New 6-inch short from Lee. So these are high rise. They have the pork chop pocket, elastic on the side, so stretchy waistband, and then pockets on the back. In the mauve, also comes in ivory. How pretty is that light green? They have a denim option, a darker olive, and then also a light pink, and they're $21.98. New flare pants from Gloria Vanderbilt. So these look like they're high rise. They have the whiskering, the perfect amount of flare, seam fit through the back. This is an ankle boot cut, and they're $24.98. New twill pant from Free Assembly. So this one has the button zip. It has this little button detail with the elastic in the waist, cargo pocket on the one side with the jogger bottom in the navy. Also comes in green, and they're $26. Also new denim from Free Assembly. So these look like a high rise. They have the whiskering, this little pocket detail with the raw hem. The seam kind of fit through the back, and they're $26. New denim dress from Free Assembly. This one has the smaller collar, belt, 2 flat pockets, flows out, the little button on the wrist. It's a layer weight chambray with the seam detailing in the back, and this one is $34. Also new chambray shirt from Free. This one has the snap buttons, 2 flat pockets, button on the wrist, scoops in the middle, seam detailing in the back, and they are $24. New color in the overalls from Celebrity Pink. So these have the adjustable strap, that one big pocket, side pocket. It looks like it gets tapered with the color block pockets on the side. $26.50 now in this lighter wash, and we also saw that mid-tone. New color in the skirt set from No Boundaries. This one has that boat neckline, fitted through the wrist, shorter through the front. The skirt folds over. It's a midi length with a little slit. In the pink, also comes in black, and they're $16.98. New colors in the satin dress from Sofia Vergara. So it says that plunging V, the button on the wrist, that little twist, a midi length, flowy, in the black and white zebra. Also comes in the black floral, and they are going to be $32. Also new colors in the boxy tee from No Boundaries. So these have a crew neckline, shorter sleeve. They're cropped through the front and back in the pink, white, black, blue, and they are going to be $5. New high neck puff sleeve tops from Time and True. So these have that higher neckline, side seam detailing, elastic with the crochet, flowy through the body. That's what the material looks like up close. And then on the other side, in the yellow, also comes in navy and the little keyhole, and they're $13.98. So many cute St. Patrick's Day tee. They have the new stick, Let the Shenanigans Begin. These are $8.98. And then I'm also seeing already an Easter tee, but I love Peeps, so I don't even care. These are also $8.98. My Lucky Day with the bluey. And they also have from Wound Up, Let the Shenanigans Begin. Not Today pinchers, and these are $5.48. I showed you these two graphic tees. They have some really cute ones now. They have the cherries. These are from Social Edition, and these are only $5.50. And then how cute is a little martini? And that one's also $5.50. And they have these smaller crochet bags in the floral, also in this black cherry, and they're $14.97. Also new pointel pajama sets from No Boundaries. These have that V neckline, Henley buttons, fitted through the wrist, shorter through the front and the back. In the pink floral, also comes in the gray, and they are $11.97. They also have these are skirts, so they have that ruffle trim, elastic waistband, same fit in that same pink floral. Also comes in the gray, and they're $12.98. And then also to match, they have these wide leg pants. These have the elastic waistband, the little bow detail, high rise, nice and flowy. That's what the material looks like up close. Same kind of fit through the back in the pink floral, and these are $13.98. On this side, I'm also seeing the top in the blue and gray, pants in blue and gray, and then also the skirt in the blue. They have the tops that match back to these pants. So these have an elastic waistband, French terry side pocket, nice and flowy. I picked these up in the gray. They're so comfortable. Now I gotta get the top because look how good. It has that crew neckline, the same French terry drop sleeve, ribbed wrist, that raw hem in the pink, also in the gray, and they are $10.98. New lace pieces from No Boundaries. So these have the thin strap, scoop neckline, seam detailing under the bust, and it is double lined in the bust area in the pink. Also comes in black, and these are, I think they're $16.98. And then also the tanks, they have the adjustable strap with the little bow, also sheer through the body. Same colors, pink and black. And then the little shorts in those same colors. They'll be linked down below. How cute are these new sets with the hearts? These are from No Boundaries. They have that elastic waistband, side pocket, wide leg. There's the white with the red hearts, also the matching tank, the matching shorts. And then they also have in the tank the blue and white and the black. The shorts also come in the blue and white and black. The shorts are $7.98. The tank is $5.98, and the pants are $12.98. New prints in the $13 pajama set. So these have that crew neckline. It's a relaxed tee. The pants have that elastic waistband, side pocket, true jogger bottom. I've shared these a lot, but they have weekend vibes now with the blue, the red and pink. I think we saw the leopard with the gray and pink. They brought back also that multicolored star. It was very similar last year. There's a blue with rough in it with the dogs. That one's new. On this side, they have how cute the little True Love with the coffee and the coffee pants, the little whipped cream. They also have a swan set. And then I love the cherries with the cherry pants. Like I said, 2 pieces are $12.98. Waist Fun also has the boxer style pants. So these have an elastic waistband, button, side pocket, shorter through the front. I think they're like more of an ankle length. So we saw the short options. Now they have them in the pants. In the gingham, there's a pink plaid, a blue stripe, and the floral, and they're $14.98. How cute are these new sets from No Boundaries? So it has a lace tank with the little rosette, lettuce trim, purple and mint, and the tank is $7.98. And how cute are the bottoms? So these shorts have an elastic waistband, that same little rosette, the scallop trim in both of those colors, and they're $7.98. And then the pants, these have that lace trim, nice and flowy, in both the mint and purple, and they're $12.98. New hats from No Boundaries. So these are that trucker style with the mesh in the back. They have the little chenille patches in the cherries with the black, daisy with the mint, and then pink with the white heart, and they're $9.97. Also new visors from No Boundaries. So these have the stretchy kind of headband material, and then the little chenille patches in the lemon, also in the strawberry. They're $9.97. Also new colors in the straw bucket hat. So we saw this pink combo. Now they have the strawberry. They have a black and white check, and then also the stripe, and they're $12.97. I shared these bags before. Now they have them in this multicolored stripe and the black and white check, and they're $19.97. Also new espadrille style shoe from Time and Tru. These have the round toe, the little crochet ankle strap with that espadrille style bottom. These are also flat, and they're $19.98. And then also new loafers from Time and Tru. These have that square toe, the gold hardware, chunky heel, and they're $24.98. Also new pink sneakers from Avia. These have the round toe. It says genuine leather, and these are $22.98. Has the mesh and then a little bit of lift. And these are also similar, but these have a toggle for laces. So it says odor control. They're almost exact, just a little bit of different touches. And these come in the black, also in this pink, and they're also $22.98. Another new knit sneaker from Avia. These have the round toe lace up. It's slip on with a little bit of that cutout. Has the neon bottom and the pink with the blue. There's black, the little bit of orange, and those are $24.98. Also new chunky sneakers from Avia. So these are also available in wide width. They have that round toe. This is what the bottom looks like, a little touches of pink with the purple. These also come in the white and black, and those are $19.98. I'm gonna end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.